Hey everybody, so welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to disable the seatbelt reminder on, in my case it's a 2023 Ford Transit. So they obviously changed something recently, because guess what? The owner's manual that came with my Transit is completely wrong on what it tells you to do to turn off the seatbelt minder. So I'm going to show you what to do. So we all know anytime you go over 6 miles an hour, very, very, very annoying seatbelt reminder. Oh, and a quick disclaimer, I always wear my seatbelt. This is, you're in a campground, you're just moving around or something. This is a camper after all. Sometimes you don't want to have your seatbelt on. All right, so there's a couple conditions. So make sure the vehicle's in park. We're going to go ahead and turn the vehicle off. And you need to make sure the parking brake is on. Okay, so we have electric parking brake. All right, so here's the sequence of events. So basically, we're gonna turn the ignition on. Now, as soon as you see the seatbelt light come on, count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now take your seatbelt. We're gonna buckle it 4 times fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see, it starts flashing. All right, it's turned off. That's it. Now you have to do that for each belt that you have to start a new sequence. So the driver's side is off. To turn off the passenger side, you have to do the same thing. I'm going to show you now. But you have to turn the car, the ignition off, go through the whole procedure again. If you start trying to do it on the passenger side, it's gonna cancel everything you just did. So now I'll show you. We'll go over 5 miles an hour, or over 6 miles an hour. You can see seatbelt light's flashing, but there's no more chime, there's no more thing popping up on the screen. So you have to do that for every driver or every seating position that you want to turn it off. So, oh, and by the way, that only works if you have your seatbelt off when you start the fan and drive away. If you have your seatbelt on while you're driving, then take it off, the van will still chime at you. So, not sure if there's any way to completely disable it, but that does work to disable it if you're one of the people who, I guess, never wears your seatbelt. But that'd be helpful. Try it out, see if it works on your newer Ford. They changed it, they didn't update the manual. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you later.